Okay. Ready na kita, Messi? Ready na. Hi everyone, this is Ronin and this is my baby sister. This is Blessy. Say hello. So for today, we are having a question and answer. So I made a 10 questions here that you need to answer. And then, pwede ka rin magtanong sa akin. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. My first question is, what is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie?
Inside Out.
Okay. Okay, here's the another question. If you have a chance to meet your crush, are you willing to introduce yourself?
Yes.
Why?
Ah,
Because you love him so much. Aminin.
Ambot.
Oh, sino ba yung mga crush mo? Si Henry, si Anas, si Cedric.
Sinong Anas?
Ay, nakalimutan na niya si Anas. Hindi mo na, hindi na niya naalala. Okay, another question. What is your favorite food and why?
Mm, Lumpiang Shanghai.
Why? Why lumpiang Shanghai is your favorite food?
What?
Lang. Because do you think it looks so delicious? Okay, another question. Do you miss your former classmates? Excuse me. Why? Because
Ambot. Wala lang.
okay, another question. What kind of perfume do you want? Victoria's Secret, Fiona,
Maski na ano.
ano, ang importante mabango. Tama. Okay. Do you love him or secret? Bawal no.
Anong secret? Secret.
Pero aminin mo, do you love him?
No.
No. Aram ko nagbubuwa ka, bless. Okay, another question. Who is your favorite pop star singer?
Ano?
Si Billie Eilish?
Wait na.
Hindi na si Billie Eilish. Who is your favorite classmates? Isa-isa lang.
Andre.
Sino pa?
Mga lang.
Andre. Can you give me an example of love? Love.
Tara.
Love. Ra, di rin pwede sacrificing.
Hindi ko yan mga aram.
Okay, another question. Okay, last question. Do you think love letter is exceptional in your life? Response. No. Kasi nahihiya siya. Okay, ikaw naman magkapot sa ako.
Ano?
Maski na lang.
Ano? Napulan ko. Mga ini.
Oo.
What is your favorite movie?
Okay, so my favorite movie is, let me think first. Suddenly Magic and kay Claudine Barreto. Anong title nun? Kay Claudine? Anak.
Hmm.
Mata yun na lang. Sige, Anak yung favorite kong movie. Ano pa?
If you have a chance to meet your crush, are you willing to introduce yourself?
To be honest, I don't have a crush anymore. I'm just telling the truth, my little sister. Wala talaga akong crush.
What is your favorite food and why?
My favorite food is siya. No, joke lang. So my favorite food is vegetable salad, and then my favorite food is cordon bleu because they are so tasty. I couldn't imagine that sweets. Sorry for erotical grammar. Another question.
Do you miss your former classmates?
So if you're going to ask me about my former classmate, then I'll respond sometimes because I have a trauma that I've experienced back then, and then may mga harmonies din kami na, pinagsamahan ng grade 12. Kasi nung senior high school ako, hindi ko naman masyadong na-enjoy. And then, naalala ko that time is, may pinag-awayan kami sa research. I mean, hindi lang sa research, kundi sa mga group activities. And then, you know, kaya sometimes na-miss ko sila. Pero yung iba kong classmate na mga nag-insulto sa akin, hindi. Yung mga grade 10 kong classmate, of course, I miss them because they are all my sisters. And yung mga classmate ko nung grade 7 and 8, yung iba lang. Kasi one of the most traumatic moments that I've experienced is grade 7 and grade 8. So yun lang.
Hmm. What kind of perfume do you want?
So my favorite perfume is Victoria's Secret. Alam mo yung amoy niya, parang mabango siya, tapos napaka-elegante. Tsaka gusto ko pa yung perfume na hali sa ibang bansa, like Bulgari. And then, pa yung brand na. Basta, ang importante lang sa perfume is mabango siya. Okay.
Do you love him or secret?
How could I respond to that question? I don't love him. And of course, I don't have a crush. That's my response. So I don't have a secret. I'm
Who
just telling
is
the truth.
who is your favorite pop star singer?
So my favorite pop star singer is Ariana Grande because I really love her song like Honeymoon Avenue and then something like Dangerous Woman. Another songs that I like is Right now I'm in a state of mind. So I love her and I also like her in the Wicked era. So Ariana Grande is my favorite singer.
Who is your favorite classmate?
So my favorite classmate currently or back in senior high school. Currently. Currently it means ngayon. So my favorite classmate is mga BA kong classmates because they were so nice to me and then one of the most unexpected gift that I've ever received in my life is my friends. Yung mga classmate ko na mga BA, like sina Dorina, Jennifer, Freda, Raisa, Bea, and JB. Naalala ko nung that time pumunta kami sa basic education para maghanap ng gwapo, tapos i-introduce ka. Uy, sorry man, hindi ko naman sinasadya na introduce ka sa kanila. Alam mo naman, maganda ka. O maganda siya.
Can you give me an example of love?
Okay. If you love someone, then handa ka i-risk. I mean, hindi lang totally risk. I mean, handa ka isakripisyo mo ang lahat para sa kanya. For your family, your friend, and also for your crush. So that is the example of love.
Do you think love letter is exceptional in your life?
I think yes, because during my senior high school journey is nagbigay ako ng mga love letters sa mga crush ko. Naalala ko, naglagay ako ng love letter sa bintana tapos hindi ko sinabi sa kanila na ako talaga yung nagbibigay ng love letter. At hindi lang yun. Ang sinulat ko dito, ang tawag doon? My secret admirer. Tapos ang sabi ko naman yun, this is not a right moment to know each other because I have no confidence to tell you who I am. At saka, naalala ko nung nag-senior high ako, may nagsumbong sa akin ako talaga yung nagbibigay ng love letter. And yun, na-figure out niya. Ayokong sabihin kung sino yun. Sana na. Okay na yun. O sige, makapot naman kita. Hindi pa magapot ka sa ako. Sinabi.
Ako maisip na ako.
Okay, ako naman. Are you sure? Are you willing to answer this?
Hmm.
Okay. Do you love Henry? No? Then what is the love letter did you write? Just M-M lang. To be honest, you have question. Ikaw naman magkapot sa ako. Ikaw naman magtanong sa akin. Isa pa lang, I give you an idea.
Ako maisip.
Wala daw siyang naisip, so ako na lang mag-isa sa'yo. Okay. Which one do you prefer, boy or girl? Or nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, yeah. What else? Let me think first. Para na ako maisip. So that is the end of the video. Sorry for the embarrassing. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye. Bye na. Flying kiss tayong dalawa. Oh, Henry, para sa'yo yan.